Today in this tutorial, we're going to be learning how to trigger a pop-up by clicking a button in WordPress, and we're going to be using only free resources in this tutorial. So without wasting time, let's get started. First thing we need to do is log into our admin area, and we're going to install a plugin called Hustle. So we need to come to plugins and select add new. So here we're going to search for the plugin called Hustle. So this is the plugin, install the plugin and also activate the plugin. Now this is what we want to do. We want to come down to the plugin here, right there, that says Hustle, and create a pop-up. And if you want to learn how to create pop-ups, slidings, embeds and many other things with this plugin, I've actually uploaded a full tutorial, an in-depth tutorial about how you can use this plugin. So you can check the video out after you're done with this video. So let's go ahead and create a new pop-up just for demo process. So I'm going to call it demo, and we're going to use email opt-in. So I'm going to choose the templates, and we're going to go with a template right here. So let's just go with this Black Friday templates. It doesn't really matter, we're not going to be customizing the templates here. So what we just need to do is to come down to behavior, and we're going to turn off this trigger, this time trigger, and we're going to turn off this time trigger, and we're going to turn on this click trigger. So here we're going to be using a CSS selector. So it says trigger by clicking an existing page element. Now we're just going to add our element ID here. So we're going to put hashtag download. So this is the element, this is the ID we want to use. So whenever we click a button that has this ID, it's going to trigger the pop-up on our website. So we're going to click on publish, and let's go try this out. Let's try this pop-up out. So let's go back to our home page, and we're going to be using this button. So by the time we click on this button, it's going to redirect to my template store, where I upload free Elementor templates for you to use for your website. So let's go back and let's use it to trigger the pop-up. So we're going to edit this page with Elementor. So we're here inside the Elementor editor, and if you remember, we used hashtag download. So let's copy this and let's come to Elementor here. So let's click on this button and come to advanced. So under advanced, we're going to come to CSS ID, and we're going to paste in download without the hashtag. Remember, without the hashtag. So we're going to paste the download text, and then let's come to contents, and under the link URL we're going to paste the download with the hashtag, and we're going to update our page. So let's actually view this page now. So by the time we view the page and we click on this button, it is going to trigger the pop-up we created. So let's do that right now, and there we have it. This is the pop-up, and this is working as we want it to be, to work. So let's say you want to give out a template for free, or you want to give out something for free, and you want people to download it by just inputting their email and their names just to build your own email list. You can actually use this method. So thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and also comment for any other suggestion that you might have for me, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.